Hello cuties, welcome back to my channel Java Bestie. Today we are going to learn a very important topic, operators in Java. Why operators? Javaలో calculations, comparisons, decisions అన్ని చేయాలంటే ఆపరేటర్స్ కంపల్సరీ. వితౌట్ ఆపరేటర్స్ జావా ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఇన్కంప్లీట్. జావాలో ఆపరేటర్స్ చాలా టైప్స్ ఉన్నాయి. టోటల్ 8 ఆపరేటర్స్. ఈజీగా అండర్స్టాండ్ చేయడానికి నేను 2 క్లాసెస్గా డివైడ్ చేశాను. So today we are going to discuss about class 1 operators. Class 1 operators are arithmetic operators, unary operators, relational operators and logical operators. Moving to the first operator, it is an arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical calculations. And the operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modular division. డివిజన్లో ఇంటీజర్ రిజల్ట్ మాత్రమే వస్తుంది, బట్ మాడ్యులర్ డివిజన్లో రిమైండర్ని ఇస్తుంది. దిస్ ఈస్ అబౌట్ arithmetic operators. On moving to the unary operators works with a single operand. Operators are increment, decrement and not operation. The increment operator is used to increment the value by 1. For example, I was initialized variable a with a 5. I want to increment the a now. So I used a plus plus. Now the value of a becomes 6. So the increment operator is used to increment the value by 1. Next, the decrement operator. The decrement operator is used to decrease the value by 1. Equal to 5. Now I want to decrement the a by 1. So I use a minus minus. Now the a value becomes 4. On moving to the next operator, not operator. Not operator behaves like an inverter operator. If we give true value, the output is false. If we give false, the output is true. Moving to the third type, relational operators. Relational operators are used to compare two values like greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, not equal to. These all the operators comes under relational operators. Moving to the last operator in class 1 operators, logical operators. Logical operators are used to combine multiple conditions like and, or, not. And operator output is high when the both input conditions are true. And or operator output will be true if any one of the inputs is true. The not operator comes under both unary operators as well as logical operators. Next video lo class 2 operators చూద్దాం. జావా బేసిక్స్ నుంచి స్ట్రాంగ్ అవ్వాలంటే ఫాలో చేయండి. ఓకే, మళ్ళీ నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో కలుద్దాం. అంటిల్ దెన్ బై బాయ్.